Hi, my name's Nick, and today I'll be talking to you about the physiology of the eye and the recent advancements in treatments and prevention in relation to the disease glaucoma. The eye is quite similar to a camera. They both gather light and then transform that light into a picture. They both also have a lens to focus the incoming light. And just as the camera focuses light onto the film to create a picture, the eye focuses light onto a specialized layer of cells called the retina to produce an image. In the retina, the focused light is chemically transformed into electrical signals, which are transmitted through nerve cells into the optic nerve. The optic nerve then carries these signals to the brain, where the electrical signals are converted into recognizable images. Now imagine if something as important as the optic nerve was to be damaged. Well, the term glaucoma is the name given to a group of eye diseases where vision is lost due to the damage to the optic nerve, and it's extremely common. Approximately 300,000 Australians have glaucoma, which is roughly 11.7% of the population. Generally, there are no symptoms or warning signs in the early stages of this eye condition. The loss of sight is usually gradual, and a considerable amount of peripheral vision may be lost before there is any awareness of any problem. The main problem in glaucoma is damage to the optic nerve. Intraocular pressure, or IOP, is the fluid pressure inside the eye. IOP is generally controlled by the circulation of aqueous, a fluid which bathes and nourishes the eye, keeping it firm and maintaining optimal eye pressure. It is very important for this fluid to eventually be drained out of the eye. But if this drainage system becomes blocked, a buildup of pressure may occur, leading to the damage of the optic nerve. The level of eye pressure at which there is progressive damage to an optic nerve varies between people. Some individuals with high eye pressures do not develop nerve damage, while others with normal eye pressures develop progressive nerve damage. This makes it extremely difficult to diagnose. The most common form of the disease is primary open-angle glaucoma, or POAG, which accounts for 90% of cases in Australia. POAG generally has no warning signs in the early stages of development. Damage progresses slowly and destroys vision gradually, starting with peripheral vision. This early vision loss often goes undetected, since the other eye can initially cover for the loss. And the effects of glaucoma may only be noticed when a significant amount of nerve fibers have been destroyed. Damage caused is irreversible and will progress unless treated. Treatment cannot restore lost vision, but may halt or slow down the damage process. Early detection of glaucoma means that treatment can commence before a significant loss of vision occurs. Although there is currently no treatment that can reverse the effects of the disease, at the beginning of 2020, a group of researchers from the College of South Florida had a groundbreaking discovery. For the first time, they found that the eye and brain pressures are physiologically connected. They conducted an experiment on rats, which saw them altering brain pressure and then further assessing the fluid drainage properties in the eye. The results indicated that a neural feedback mechanism driven by ICP regulated the IOP and the effectiveness of the drainage of fluid. This gives scientists a new avenue in research as to how to treat glaucoma. Further research is now being done to identify which of the brain cells are sending signals to the eye and the nerve fibers that are being mediated by the brain. This further research will greatly expand how to better diagnose glaucoma and its causes. Thanks for your time, and I hope you've learned something about the recent advancements in treatments and prevention in relation to the disease glaucoma.